أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم انكدرت وإذا الجبال سيرت وإذا العشار عطلت وإذا الوحوش حشرت وإذا البحار سجرت وإذا النفوس زوجت وإذا الموءودة سئلت بأي ذنب قتلت وإذا الصحف نشرت وإذا السماء كشطت وإذا الجحيم سعرت وإذا الجنة أزلفت علمت نفس ما أحضرت فلا أقسم بالخنس الجوار الكنس والليل إذا عسعس والصبح إذا تنفس إنه لقول رسول كريم ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين مطاع ثم أمين وما صاحبكم بمجنون ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين وما هو على الغيب بضنين وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم فأين تذهبون إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين.
When the sun is wrapped up in darkness, and when the stars fall, and when the mountains are removed, and when the pregnant she-camels are neglected, and when the wild beasts are gathered, and when the seas are filled with flame, and when the souls are paired, and when the girl who was buried alive is asked, for what sin was she killed? When the scrolls are laid open, and when the sky is stripped away, and when hellfire is set ablaze, and when paradise is brought near. A soul will, then, know what it has brought with it. So I swear by the retreating stars, go straight or hide. And by the night as it departs. And by the dawn as it brightens, verily this is the word of a most honorable messenger. Endued with power, with rank before the Lord of the throne, obeyed there, in the heavens, and trustworthy. And your companion is not at all mad. And without doubt he saw him in the clear horizon. And Mohammed is not a withholder of, knowledge of, the unseen, nor is it the word of an evil spirit accursed. So where are you going? It is not except a reminder to the worlds. For whoever wills among you to take a right course, and you do not will accept that Allah wills, Lord of the worlds.
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance, so is there any who will remember?